Hi. Let's talk about the security tools that are in use today, and how they make use of the security concepts we mentioned previously. Let's start with Secure Shell, SSH. Secure Shell is a very important technology in security. It is based on the encryption techniques we mentioned in previous sessions. It includes confidentiality and integrity techniques. It can use basic password authentication and/or public key authentication, depending on your deployment. Note that the availability of the service got to be taken care of separately. As an interesting side note, it is also short for a protocol, a product, and a company. We will be discussing the protocol and product here. First, SSH is the most commonly used secure remote login into secure other unencrypted protocols. As a security practitioner, you must understand and know how to use SSH. When you try to send messages or remote commands into your network, you should do an SSH login as far as possible. Reasons being, an unencrypted remote session, your password, data, messages could be sniffed if someone is tapping the network. SSH helps to bring confidentiality into protocols that did not have security in mind when they were created. For example, email POP. SSH achieves this through tunneling. Tunneling is a conceptual representation of creating a wrapper around the unencrypted traffic. Tunneling is an encapsulating technique. In the example, the higher-level protocol, email, its packets are encapsulated in the SSH packets. The SSH packet is encapsulated into the TCP payload, and TCP into IP, and to link packets. This is a visualization of the conceptualized tunnel. SSH is a client and server model. So the server needs to have SSH service installed. When you try to SSH into a server, the underlying will happen. The client and server will do a version exchange, algorithm negotiation, and key exchange. After which the upper protocol contents will be encrypted and packed within the SSH protocol, thereby achieving the encryption properties. Network sniffer will only see SSH packets moving around, without knowing the contents. In summary, SSH is the most common used secure remote login, a very important tunneling concept that you need to understand, as you can reuse it as a quick fix for unencrypted traffic. Some other application that uses this is secure file transfer. What do you think is the performance impact to the higher level protocol?